Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off storm alerts on your Garmin Forerunner 945. So the Forerunner 945 has a barometer inside of it. Using the barometer, the Forerunner 945 will try to detect if a storm is coming if the pressure drops by a certain amount in a certain amount of time. So we can turn this on or off. And I found that it is probably about 50% accurate, but if I was doing something such as like backcountry camping or hunting really far out in the middle of nowhere, I think that it would be useful to turn on storm alerts just so you have some sort of an early warning. So to turn on storm alerts, we first need to open the menu, and we do that by holding the up button just for a second or two. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you get to Sensors and Accessories. Go ahead and select that using the Start or Stop button up here. In here, we just need to scroll down until we get to the barometer. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down in here until you see storm alerts. Go ahead and select that. So I currently have it turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And if you want to, you can change the rate. This will either increase or decrease the amount of storm alerts you get. I haven't found that it's too obnoxious or anything in my area. So you can select in here, and you can select either a smaller amount to increase the amount of storm alerts you get, because that's going to be a smaller change in a 3-hour time period to trigger a storm alert, or you can increase it to lower the amount of storm alerts you get. So I'm just going to go back to the default of 4, select that, and now you have set up storm alerts on your Garmin Forerunner 945. To turn off your storm alerts, all you need to do is go to the status here, turn it off. You have disabled or turned off storm alerts on your Forerunner 945. All right, so that's how you turn on or off storm alerts on the Garmin Forerunner 945. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 945 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.